This is the installation process of the edema generator pump. So it consists of two parts. The first is this. Pump generator is a pump processor, and there is also a pump network. So this uses electricity, home, yes, and in. This pump processor, there are two channels. The first at the back is the channel to enter the pump water. Yes, this uses a filter. Just put it in, then there is an outlet hole. This is connected to the pump gun. Yes, the pump. Yes, the pump. One at the bottom. Yes, then another one. This is the compressor that goes into the pump, the top one. Yes, so this is this one, from the box pump processor circuit. Yes, this one, and this one is to the compressor, and we will immediately turn it on. The pump is first filled with a compressor until it is full, and then it is turned on, and then the pump is turned on, the plug is on. Yes. This is out. Yes, the connector is. Then the wind is opened. This is opened directly. This is in time, so it is direct. Just adjust the wind is. Just increase it so that it is fast, reduce it a little. Reduce it a little, so that the settings are just that. So adjust the wind so that the results are like this. It is fast, so it is very easy. No need for complicated settings, so if it is on, that's it.